guys, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I use aloe vera to help grow my hair. Right now my hair has been flat ironed for about a week and a half, I would say. As you can see, it's not doing too well. So I believe that I've told you guys before that my hair does not like being straight. This is what it looks like, literally. As soon as I flat iron my hair, I have about 2 to 3 days of nice straight hair until it turns into this. So guys, I have been using aloe vera for about a year and a half now, and I absolutely love the stuff. It has helped my hair flourish, grow, and it's also excellent at helping your hair revert. It looks atrocious, but we're going to hopefully fix it now with the aloe vera. It's also very untamable, and I'm trying to make it look somewhat presentable for the camera, hence the reason why it was in that weird high puff situation. And the hair mask that I'm showing you today is extremely simple and it's easy to make, and it's affordable, which I feel like is extremely important. Honestly, I can't wait to get this mask in my hair. I'm tired of my hair looking like this. As I said, it's been about a week and a half, and this is looking more like a blowout than flat ironed. But honestly, I'm really ready to revert this and put a protective style back in. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I create the mask. So guys, this is the aloe vera leaf that I'll be using in this video. This thing is absolutely huge. It's like bigger than my arm. Look how long it is. I'll probably just cut it on my hair and use the rest for another time. Anyways guys, let's get into showing you how I make this hair mask for hair growth. Hey guys, so let's get into making this hair mask. So firstly, all I like to do is to cut the aloe vera leaf. And this is all dependent on how much you need. Honestly, I have a huge aloe vera leaf here and I'm not going to be using all of it in once. However, if you have a smaller leaf, you may want to use the whole thing. The thing I do to prepare this aloe vera leaf is to cut off the spikes on the side. This will make it so much easier when trying to get all that juicy flesh in the middle. Look at how much aloe vera juice is in there, guys. I cannot wait to make this into a hair mask. I think this is the largest aloe vera leaf I've ever used. But once you have cut off the spikes on each side, I then go ahead with the knife and cut off the flattest side of the aloe vera leaf. I try to stay as close as possible as I can to the skin. Now this is the fun part, where you get your spoon and you scrape out all that aloe vera juice from the middle. Now this can get a little bit messy, so don't be like me and ensure that you put a towel or something to make sure that your table or your surfaces do not get wet. Aloe vera in general is quite slimy, so it will be a lot easier to just pick up a paper towel to clean up all the mess than to try and clean it all off after. After taking all the aloe vera juice out of the middle, this is what it looks like, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my ingredients. So the first thing that I'm using is Jamaica black castor oil, and this castor oil is by Sunny Isle, and I put about 4 tablespoons in there. The second thing that I use is aloe vera oil. The same as the castor oil, I put about 4 tablespoons in there. And last but not least, I go in with jojoba oil, and again I use 4 tablespoons of that too. Once I've added all of my ingredients, this is what it looked like. And now to mix it all together, I just put it in the blender for about a minute or two until it turned into a liquid. Now this step I find quite important. At first when I tried aloe vera, I always used to get bits in my hair, so now I've learnt to strain it. What I use for that is some tights, and that helps stop getting any big clumps of aloe vera in your hair, which are really hard to get out of your hair. Last but not least, this is absolutely optional. I like to put mine in an applicator bottle so that it's easier to apply to my hair. Now it's time to finally apply it to my hair. Honestly, I'm so done trying to flat iron my hair and trying to keep it straight. It just doesn't work for me, honestly. To make things a little bit easier while I'm applying aloe vera to my hair, I like to work in sections. And I also like to detangle those sections so that it's a lot easier once the aloe vera goes in before my hair starts to revert. Now I don't apply this aloe vera in any particular way, I literally just pour it on and I like to massage it into my scalp and my ends as well. Now there is actually a downside to aloe vera, and is that it can overhydrate your hair, and overhydrating your hair can be bad for your hair in the long run. So I do make sure that I do this mask every week or every 2 weeks. I don't do it any sooner than that, otherwise it will do the complete opposite of what I am trying to achieve. Now as you can see, this makes my hair revert very quickly. Quite honestly, I've used so many other products that are shop bought, and I've also tried shop bought aloe vera juice as well, and it's nothing compared to the natural thing. The reason why I love aloe vera so much as well is because you can customize it. You don't have to go in with the same 3 oils that I did. You can use your favorite oils and it will still work just as well. I have seen a huge difference in my growth, in moisture, and just the way my hair feels overall since I have been using this aloe vera. 90% of my hair routine is all natural products. I am in love with shea butter, I love aloe vera, and since I have been using natural produce in my hair routine has become much simpler. And also a lot more affordable too. I've saved so much money in not buying all those products and just using natural things in my hair. Now for the last step, I just go ahead and I put a disposable cap on my head, and I also like to put the headband for face mask around my head because this does drip and it gets really annoying. And I left it on for 4 hours, and this is what my hair looked like after. Once I washed it out of my hair, I then used some shea butter and then done 2 flat twists, and this will be my hairstyle, hopefully for the next week. That's it for now guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!